On 27th, we are holding an ODM People's National Delegates Convention, which is going to run parallel to the NDC that has been called by the Linda Ground Group, that the Linda Mwananchi, we have made a decision that we are not going to participate in the National Delegates Convention that has been convened and organized by the Linda Ground Group, because that NDC is illegal, that NDC is undemocratic, and some of the ODM members have gone to court questioning the legitimacy and also the legality of that NDC. So that has to come out very clearly. We control 35 counties out of the 47 counties, and we expect that the delegates who will be coming to our meeting will be the joining delegates, as opposed to theirs who will be fake delegates. And we are told they are compiling a list of fake delegates who will attend the NDC. So any ODM member, be aware that the NDC convened by the Linda Ground Group is illegal, and it should be avoided like a plague. The NDC they should come to is the NDC organized by the Linda Mwananchi Group that is here today.